Namaste from this side to that. I'm Sketchy Me, and today we'll be talking about design psychology. Ever wondered why some designs grab your attention and others just pass by? Well, today we are unlocking the secrets of design psychology, the art of creating designs that connect with people on a deep level. It's a subject that explores the powerful connection between design choices and human behavior. In this video, we are going to explore the essence of core elements of design psychology, that is, layout, typography, color, and visuals. We will test their importance in design with some real-time examples. Layout is all about how you arrange stuff in your design. It's like putting pieces of a puzzle together. The way you organize elements can make or break your design's impact. Typography. Fancy word, right? But it's simply about choosing the right fonts at the right size. Different fonts at different weights and sizes can give your design a different vibe. Color. It can make your design pop without getting into complex color theories. It's about adding it wisely to build a story. We'll explore how images, graphics, and symbols can enhance your design's impact and make it visually exciting. It's about keeping it simple and effective. Since now you have understanding of all these elements, let's see how these elements are playing a crucial role in making some real-time designs effective. I am on Dribbble right now. It's one of my favorite websites for design inspiration. Here is one of the designs that I came across. It's pretty simple, but still, it's very effective. The CRM that just works. Sneaky, powerful CRM. Learn more. Choose the sales model that best fits your business. So this design is conveying the information so appropriately that I don't have to struggle to consume this piece of art. It's just typography that has been used, but the hierarchy that has been added to this typography is really making the design effective and the messaging clear. Obviously, with the bold font and large font size, one is going to read this information first. Then they'll be moving to this information and the color. It's grabbing the attention now. And then it says learn more, and it's the call to action. This is one of the simple examples how typography, color, and layout can play a crucial role in making the designs effective. Let's move on to the next one. Pretty clean, right? Let's see how effective this design is. So it says spending made smarter. As soon as I read this information, I am directed towards this particular visual. Ramp Visa. Okay, now I understand that this thing is about the Visa cards that they are offering. And see how typography, layout, and visuals are piled up together to give the right message to the audience. Of course, we have a lot other information like this information over here. We have a big font size used for 3.5, which is also grabbing my attention after the key visuals and the key information. So definitely a great hierarchy has been used in here. Let's move on to the third one. It says, focus on what matters most, automate the rest. I have read this font, but then suddenly my eyes are directed towards this line over here. Automate the rest. Okay, now they have added this line, colored line below the rest. Now that color is directly linked to the shape over here, which is cream. And once my eye is directed towards this shape, which is directing upwards towards the company logo. As you can see, this is an awesome design that they have created just by simply compiling, typography, color, and layout, and visual. Let's move on to this one. This has a lot of information. This is pretty clean. Let's see how it's working. So first of all, when I land on this particular example, it says smart banking to manage your transactions. This is the first thing that's grabbing my attention. As soon as I have read this, my eyes are directed towards this. It has a bold color in the background, and it's seeking the attention once we have addressed the large typography that we have. Okay, it says crazy cashback. Interesting. And then my mind is thinking, okay, smart banking to manage your transactions. It's saying crazy cashback. What am I supposed to do? And suddenly I see get the card, which is taking my attention again, the call to action. So can you see, even though there are so many elements in this particular graphic, there is still design psychology that is playing a crucial role, and the elements, typography, color, layout, and visuals are supporting one another in creating this amazing design, and it's also conveying the right message to the audience. Hence, this brings me back to my key message of design psychology. Layout, typography, color, visuals, they play a key role in designs. So as next step, I want you to just think over the information that you have got so far. Go to Dribbble, Behance, or any other website that interests you. See the designs that are there for inspiration, and then assess those designs on the basis of these 4 scales: layout, typography, color, and visuals. And you'll realize how design psychology is playing a crucial role in making those designs effective. This is an exercise and can really help you grow as a designer. I hope you found this video useful. Hasta la vista, cheerio.